Uganda versus Chiza Aaron, an advocate, a ruling of the court. This court finds the accused conduct in contempt of this court and finds Chiza Aaron guilty of the offense of contempt of court and is hereby sentenced to 9 months in prison to be served in Chitaria government prison. We saw rule done at Makindi this day, 7th day of Jan 2025, under my hand and seal of this court.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.